Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys what products to avoid for your Amazon FBA business. And before I start my video, if you guys are getting value from my video so far, can you please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and that way other people can also see my videos. So again, my topic is what products to avoid for your Amazon FBA business, right? So there's many different products that you should avoid. So for example, for this one, this one is a hazmat product. So meaning if you're doing FBA, you really can't do hazmat products until Amazon gives you the permission to do so. So if you're doing Amazon FBA, especially as a beginner, I would stay away from hazmat products like this one. If you're doing FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant, you're going to be able to sell hazmat products like this. So if you look at the data for this product, I mean, everything looks good, right? So cost is $63. If you plug it here, I mean, ROI is about 27%. It gives you a very high ROI and profit. The sales per month for this product is $43. I'm sorry. It sells for 43 times a month. And then if you look at the competition here, I mean, the competition is decent, right? So this is technically a good product to sell, except that it's a hazmat product, right? So yeah, I would stay away from hazmat products. I mean, everything looks good as far as the data. The price is stable. I mean, the seller count is dropping. I don't see any possible IP complaints for this product. Yeah, it looks good. So the only thing with this product is that it's a hazmat product. So right there it says H hazmat. So again, if you're an FBA seller, especially if you're a new one, I would stay away from hazmat products, unless you get the permission from Amazon, right? But if you're doing FBM, you can do hazmat products. So yeah, that's product number one. And product number two is this one. So this one is similar to the first product. So it's also a hazmat product. So again, if you are an FBA seller, I would stay away from hazmat products. And by the way, hazmat means these are products that are flammable. So Amazon FBA or Amazon doesn't like these products because it's a very high risk for fire, right? So Amazon doesn't like these products sitting at their warehouse because these products are very flammable. So they prefer not to store these products, and that's why they have um, and that's why they only want certain FBA sellers to have hazmat products. So yeah, so this one is hazmat product. If you look at the data, it seems like it's a decent product. Let's see. I mean, ROI is pretty low. I mean, it's a decent product. So it sells 288 times a month. I mean, the ROI is pretty low. But if you look at the other sellers, is trending up. So it's a pretty okay product if you're willing to do FBM, because FBM sellers can do hazmat, right? And let's look at the keep it short. I mean, keep it short is pretty okay. So this is a pretty okay product, except that this is a hazmat product. So I would stay away from this product. Next one is, what is this? So Audient. What is this product? A headphone output. I think it's for DJs. Yeah, I think it's for DJs, or yeah, or if people do music, right? So it's a product for people who do music. And the problem with this product is, if you look at the ROI, right, it's giving you 120% ROI, which is very unrealistic for Amazon FBA. I mean, the ROI that we usually get are somewhere around like 20%, all the way to like maybe like 70%. So if you see any outrageous ROI, I would really be suspicious. And the reason why this is not good is because of the website, right? The supplier website. So this supplier website looks really sketch. As you can see here, right? It's saying Best Buy. It has a Best Buy branding here, but the website name is juicystore.com. So what I usually do for products like this is I usually get the website. So which is justicestore.com, and then I do a review. So I would type in the website name here and a review, and then I would look at the reviews from this website. So the best website out there for reviews is Trustpilot. So I usually go with Trustpilot first, but if not, there's other good ones too, like Scam Detector and other websites, right? Like ScamDoc. So I would just go through these different websites and read the reviews. So as you can see here, this buyer is saying, "Hey, they're posing as Best Buy page, can't be legit. Someone needs to shut that down." Yes, I agree. And this other person is saying the same thing. I believe the store is posing as a store Justice and the store Best Buy, probably others as well. So be careful. I agree. And then here on this website, it's giving you a 58% score. So I would read reviews. So if you look here, right? Yeah. So phishing scores for it's just giving this website like a score in a review. So obviously this website seems very sketchy, right? And then this one, let's see. So this one is so the domain is very recent. It's giving that. So this website is giving this store a 1% review. Yeah. So short left as a domain. The owner of the domain name associated with this website is hidden. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah. So this website is not a good one, obviously. So I would stay away from this one. So again, if you see any ROI that are really high, like 100% or more, I would be very suspicious, and I would look at the other data points of a certain product, right? And yeah, for this one, obviously the website or the supplier website is not legit, so I'm not gonna buy this product. And I hope you guys got value from my video. And again, if you guys enjoyed the video, can you please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel? And I'll see you guys on the next one.